How to use tab groups in Safari iOS. First, open Safari, then tap the tabs icon at the bottom right. That's the one with two overlapping squares. At the bottom middle of your screen, you'll see a label that says something like 5 tabs or start page. Tap that and it will open tab groups menu. You'll now see options like new empty tab group or new tab group from X tabs. If you want to start fresh, choose new empty tab group, or if you already have tabs open you want to group, tap new tab group from X tabs. A prompt will ask you to name your tab group like work, recipes, or travel. Type your name and hit save. To switch between groups, go back to tab overview and tap the drop down. Again, just select the group you want. Safari will load only the two specific tabs. Super clean and organized. If you want to remove or rename a group, swipe left on the group name in the list and tap delete or edit. Your main tabs stay untouched. And that's it!